Good morning all of you. Today we are going to study maths and the topic is what comes between. Means between means बीच में. What means क्या. Comes means आता है. Means यहाँ जो numbers दिए हुए हैं उनके बीच में क्या आता है ये हमें सर्च करना है, फाइंड करना है और लिखना है. ओके. For example, here written 1 dash 3. What comes between 1 and 3? 3 और 1 के बीच में क्या आता है. इसके लिए हम लोगों को काउंट करना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए 1 2 3. 1 से 3 तक हम लोग काउंट करेंगे. 1 2 3. अब 1 और 3 के बीच में क्या आया 2. 2 को हम लोगों को यहाँ लिखना है. We have to write 2. Okay, why? Because 2 comes between 1 and 3. Okay, write down here 2. 1 dash 3 means 1 2 3. 2 is coming between 1 and 3. Next 7 dash 9. What comes between 7 and 9? Again we have to count. Take out your finger. 7 8 9. 7 8 9 means 8 is coming between 7 and 9. 8 जो है वो 7 और 9 के बीच में आ रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ हम लोगों को क्या लिखना है 8. We will write here 8. 8 comes between 7 and 9. Okay. Next 4 dash 6. 4 dash 6. What comes between 4 and 6? 4 5 6. 4 5 6. 5 comes between 4 and 6. You have to write here 5. You have to write here 5. 4 5 6. 10 dash 12. 10 dash 12. What comes between 10 and 12? 10 11 12. 10 11 12 means 11 comes between 10 and 12. Write down here 11. 10 11 12. 2 dash 4. 2 dash 4. What comes between 2 and 4? 2 3 4. 2 3 4 means 3 is coming between 2 and 4. Here we have to write 3. 2 3 4. 8 dash 10. 8 dash 10. What comes between 8 and 10? 8 9 10. 8 9 10. Between 8 and 10 9 comes. So we have to write 9. We have to write here 9. Okay. 8 9 10. Again 1 2 3 7 8 9. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. 10 and 12 11. 2 and 4 3. 8 and 10 9. Now this side 15 dash 17. What comes between 15 and 17? 15 16 17. 15, 16, 17. Means 16 comes between 15 and 17. We have to write here 1, 6, 16. Next 18 dash 20. What comes between 18 and 20? 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. 19 comes between 18 and 20. Then we will write here 1, 9, 19. 0 dash 2. 0 dash 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 1 comes between 0 and 2. So, we have to write here 1. 14 dash 16. 14 dash 16. What comes between 14 and 16? 14, 15, 16. 14, 15, 16. Means 15 comes between 14 and 16. 15, 14 and 16 के बीच में आता है. Next 11 dash 13. 11 dash 13. What comes between 11 and 13? 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. Means which number is coming? Number 12. 1, 2, 12. 11, 12, 13. 12 dash 14. 12 dash 14. What comes between 12 and 14? 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14. 13 is coming between 12 and 14. Okay? In this way, we have completed what comes between. Okay? You have to complete this work in your maths copy. You will get attachment with this video. You have to see that attachment and you have to complete the work. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.